In this video, I'll show you how to fix the zoom extents problem in AutoCAD when your drawing disappears or zooms far away from the actual design. This issue is usually caused by stray objects located far outside your main drawing area. To fix it, press Ctrl and A to select everything in your drawing. Look carefully for any selected grips or objects that appear far away from your main design. These unwanted objects are often the reason zoom extents doesn't work correctly. Delete the stray objects, then type zoom, followed by E, to use zoom extents again. If the problem still exists, open the Layer Properties Manager and turn on all layers, including any hidden or frozen ones. Press Ctrl and A once more, check for additional unwanted objects, and delete them if necessary. After cleaning up the drawing, run zoom extents again, and your view should focus correctly on your actual design. Keeping your drawing free of unnecessary objects also improves navigation and overall performance. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more AutoCAD tutorials, and thanks for watching.